The arrival of the iPhone 18 Pro marks a turning point, not just for Apple, but for the future of smartphones as a whole. At first glance, it's easy to focus on the headline-grabbing features, the luxurious new colors, the much larger battery, the dramatically upgraded camera system. But to truly understand how monumental this generation is, we have to step back and look at Apple's broader, long-term strategy. The iPhone is no longer just a premium smartphone. It has evolved into the heart of Apple's expanding world of artificial intelligence, mixed reality hardware, cloud-driven services, wearable devices, and next-gen smart home systems. And when you examine Apple's quiet behind-the-scenes moves, from in-house chip design to AI-powered software innovation, it becomes clear that 2026 is the beginning of Apple's next decade-long transformation. The iPhone 18 Pro is the first chapter of that transformation. This generation unites cutting-edge hardware, deeper cloud intelligence, advanced AI systems, and a highly future-proof design philosophy unlike anything Apple has attempted before. The leaks surrounding this device aren't random. They connect to form a much bigger and more exciting picture, a picture that reveals the most ambitious iPhone upgrade ever built. A new philosophy of color, the reinvention of Apple's visual identity. Color has always been Apple's silent language. Every iconic iPhone shade had a purpose. Gold on the iPhone 5S signaled luxury. Midnight green on the iPhone 11 Pro signaled exclusivity. Deep purple on the iPhone 14 Pro symbolized futurism. In 2026, Apple introduces a completely new color philosophy with burgundy, warm coffee brown, and soft lavender purple, a combination designed to reflect the global shift toward minimal premium aesthetics. Younger audiences may love flashy colors, but Apple knows the Pro market is different. Professionals, creators, and high-end buyers prefer refined luxury tones. These new shades pair perfectly with titanium frames, matte textures, and professional use cases. But this shift goes deeper. Apple is transforming the Pro series into a fashion-forward luxury product, similar to seasonal releases from high-end brands. The standard iPhones may continue with playful colors, but the Pro lineup is being positioned as a curated premium collection, a bold visual identity that sets the Pro models apart more than ever before. Battery and thicker frame, engineering decisions for the next 10 years. Apple's decision to make the iPhone 18 Pro thicker is not a random design change. It's a strategic engineering shift to meet the rising demands of modern mobile computing. Consumers want more battery life, stronger AI performance, better cooling, bigger sensors, and superior wireless capability, all of which require physical space inside the chassis. For years, Apple chased ultra-thin designs. But the future belongs to power, not thinness. The thicker frame enables up to 5,500 mAh battery capacity, stacked battery architecture, a larger, more efficient cooling system, a variable aperture camera with mechanical depth, enhanced speaker chambers for richer audio. This design prepares the iPhone for the next generation of mobile AI, from real-time translation to on-device generative models and next-level computational photography. Custom communication chips, the hidden engine behind Apple's AI future. Apple developing its own network modems, Wi-Fi chips, and satellite systems is a game-changing shift. By moving away from third-party suppliers, Apple gains total control over power efficiency, signal optimization, AI network integration, thermal output, long-term connectivity. The new C2C2X modems and next-gen N2 Wi-Fi 8 module bring massive improvements, faster switching between networks, stronger indoor signal, better gaming stability, and reduced heat during long video calls. This is essential because the iPhone 18 Pro isn't just connecting to the internet, it's connecting to global AI engines, cloud render farms, real-time data hubs, and distributed intelligence networks, satellite-to-satellite communication. A revolution nobody saw coming. Earlier satellite features were basic, but the rumored Apple timed Starlink partnership introduces a whole new world of satellite independence. With this system, The iPhone 18 Pro could send high-resolution images, upload videos through satellite, make calls in remote areas, stay connected. During disasters, provide offline global navigation, automatically switch between cellular and satellite networks. Upgrade transforms the iPhone into a truly global device, a lifeline for travelers, pilots, researchers, emergency teams, and everyday users during network congestion. A new age of computational photography, powered by a 200MP sensor. Apple's camera strategy is evolving. The introduction of a 200MP stack sensor unlocks ultra-detailed, oversampled images, massive sensor-based zoom improvements, better macro performance, sharper 4K and 8000 video dramatically, improved night photography, real optical depth, and natural bulk Coben with a variable aperture system. The iPhone 18 Pro enters a new era of cinematic mobile photography. This is Apple transitioning from best everyday camera to professional cinema camera in your pocket. Video recording, Apple's underrated masterstroke. For years, Apple has dominated smartphone videography. But the iPhone 18 Pro raises the bar again with 8K ProRes, improved Dolby Vision, HDR, AI-powered autofocus tracking, real-time low light noise reduction, sensor-level stabilization, 4K 1.2 OFE recording, and thanks to the new battery and cooling system, creators can finally record long professional sessions without overheating. The hidden upgrades that complete the experience beyond major features. Apple is also refining the small details that elevate the user experience. Stronger titanium alloy, new frosted matte finish, brighter 3000 plus nit display, efficient 1 to 120 Hz. Smart refresh, under display Face ID, better thermal distribution, faster 40W, wired charging, deeply integrated on-device AI across iOS. Each refinement pushes Apple toward its larger mission, turning the iPhone into the central controller of your digital life. The bigger story, the iPhone 18 Pro is built for the AI decade. The iPhone 18 Pro is designed to support the next generation of mobile intelligence, real-time AI translation, on-device generative video, ultra-fast cloud compute, AI personalize apps, context-aware Siri, smarter widgets, offline intelligence. Your iPhone becomes your AI-powered assistant, your satellite-connected survival tool, your cinema-grade camera, your mixed reality controller, your portable editing studio, your secure global communicator. This isn't just an upgrade, it's the beginning of a new technological era. Should you upgrade? If you own the iPhone 15, 16, or even 17 series, the iPhone 18 Pro will feel like one of the biggest leaps in years. You're getting a redesigned chassis, a brand new camera system, next-gen wireless tech, satellite connectivity, integrated AI features, titanium refinements, massive battery improvements. Critics and analysts alike agree 2026 may be the year Apple redefines the iPhone all over again. Final thoughts. The first iPhone of the AI, satellite, and global connectivity era, the iPhone 18 Pro series is more than an annual refresh. It is the foundation for Apple's next 10 years. It represents the future of mobile AI, global satellite communication, high-end computational photography, expanded ecosystem, intelligence, next-generation design philosophy. This is the first iPhone built for the AI decade, the satellite decade, and the global connectivity decade. And if the leaks are accurate, the iPhone 18 Pro could become one of the most influential smartphones ever created.